We are the students from the International School of Samui.
We have over 100 students in the primary school.
From all over the world.
This is a great school to go to.
This is our science lab where we do lots of our science experiments and learn more about science. We also have lots of other special rooms too. What you will need for match rockets.
You need some tinfoil and some matches.
Don't forget your safety goggles. When you light the match, it heats up the air around the match head underneath the foil. The hot air creates high pressure, which then escapes through the little tunnel you have made, forcing the match rocket to shoot up and away.
Well, hopefully.
One of our most favorite things to do is to go to the beach and watch fireworks being set off. But how do they make those amazing colors? They use chemicals.
These are metal salts, which are chemicals with metal in them. This is copper, this is lithium, this is potassium, and this is sodium. Copper goes green, lithium goes red, potassium goes lilac, sodium goes yellowy orange. We've come to the beach to do the flame test on a bigger scale. So in our investigation into how fireworks worked, we looked at how they moved. We made matchstick rockets which moved in the same way. We also learned how they make all the great colours. They use metal salts. When you burn them, copper goes green, lithium goes red, potassium goes lilac, and sodium goes yellowy orange.